Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video is a Blocksy WordPress theme tutorial, or how to make the most of it. We're going to show you how to install and activate it, but also we're going to show you how to customize blocks using the WordPress block editor. We're going to take a look at some features and options, as well as templates and custom blocks. So let's get started. So why should we use Blocksy? Well, three things. Blocksy is fast and lightweight. Blocksy is optimized for the Gutenberg editor, which is the default WordPress block editor or site customizer, whichever way you want to call it. And three, it is SEO optimized. So why is it important that it is blazingly fast? Well, if anybody has a low-power device, they'll have the same user experience as somebody with a high-end MacBook. Why is it important that it's optimized for the Gutenberg editor? Well, all you need to know is how to use WordPress, and you can use Blocksy. Why is it important that it is SEO optimized? Well, if search engines can put your website at the top of their search results just because you use Blocksy, that means you have a better opportunity to get more click-through rate. So let's download and install it right now. We're here on wordpress.org/theme/Blocksy. Let's click on download, and it should download Blocksy for us. Hey, if you found this video helpful so far, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us with the YouTube algorithm show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Now that we've finished downloading our Blocksy zip file, let's go ahead and install it from our dashboard. On our dashboard, on the left-hand side, let's go down and click on Appearance. And on Themes, let's click on Add a new theme. Click on Upload Theme. And let's drag and drop Blocksy to WordPress. And click on Install Now. Alternatively, we can just go on Add Themes and search for Blocksy and click on Activate. Now that it's activated, let's take a look at it. And that's our Blocksy site. Let's go back to our dashboard and choose a starter theme. Let's go down over here on the Blocksy dashboard and click on Install Blocksy Companion. With that installed, it gives us a bunch of other tab options, especially these starter templates. So some of them, they're paid, but others are free. So let's choose, okay, how about this? Let's import this one. And edit it with Gutenberg. And let's make a shop. And install it. With that done, let's take a look at our site template that we've just selected. And here is the sample site. It looks pretty good. Now let's see about customizing it. Okay, so let's now take a look at customizing global settings on our Blocksy site. We could always do the old school way of going on to Appearance and clicking on Customize. But while we're here on the Blocksy dashboard, let's just use one of the shortcuts and click on Customize. As usual, this is the site customizer, and we can change our color palette to this one. We can arrange our buttons and colors and our header, which we can adjust down here. Actually, it looks pretty good. And the usual settings that we can customize. Okay, so let's publish that. Okay, so let's take a look at actually editing a page with a block editor using the Blocksy Stackable Blocks. Okay, so just like everything else, everything is contained in blocks. And we can move them up and down as we please. We can even delete them if we wanted to. Okay? We can take a look at our stackable blocks that came with Blocksy, and there are a whole bunch over here. So let's say we wanted a feature, and drag that over here. And there's a bunch of options, and obviously it's grayed out because we have to upgrade to premium to get those layouts. And for instance, let's choose a product item. Let's say this lamp over here. Select that and lamp. And we can change this to however you want, and we can change the layout to this. We can add columns for other things that we want to type. We can change the background to a gradient. Let's say, ooh, that's kind of harsh. Something like that. And there are a whole bunch of other options here that really help you customize the way that your page looks, and it's so easy to use. Now, we can also have motion effects, but unfortunately for this block, it's unavailable because we need to upgrade. Okay? So we'll keep it at that, and we'll update our page. And if we check it out in a new tab, well, after it's updated, of course, take a look at the other blocks that Stackable gives us. And let's take a look at price and see if we can add it over here. Okay, and we can customize this to, I don't know, let's say it's a $300 lamp. And we can change it. We can change the layout if it's side or centered, but it shouldn't really matter with this. We click out of this. We can enable the background so it's easier for individuals to see. How about, there we go. And that looks more interesting. We can update the page. And that looks good. So let's take a look at our website now. Reload that. And now our lamp has a price tag. So with Blocksy, I hope you could see how easy it is to use their stackable blocks in conjunction with their templates to make it a very easy experience to create a web shop or any blogging site. Let's take a look at some patterns from Blocksy, and let's say you wanted to create some a regular blog with articles and so on. We can just drag that down here, and our homepage becomes a landing page for our blog posts. And we can configure that over here to have only 3 if we wanted those 3 at the top. And it's so easy, remarkably easy to use Blocksy to create a site. Now, updating that gives us our last preview, well, published site. And if we refresh this, it should load up our posts, and then our product, and then our other products, deal, and review over here. So, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as it really helps us out. We'll see you on the next one.